Good morning and welcome to story time. My name is Miss Sharon and today we're going to read and do all about pirates. But first we're going to start with our opening song, which is It's Time to Hear a Story. It's time to hear a story, a story, a story. It's time to hear a story, I'll read it to you. So sit on the carpet, get ready to listen. It's time to hear a story, I'll read it to you. Our first book is called Are Pirates Polite? It's written by Corinne Damas and Artemis Rowing and read with the permission of Orchard Books. Pirates are unruly and pirates love to fight. But pirates still say please and thanks, 'cause pirates are polite. Pirates shout outside on deck while counting pirate gold, but use their inside voices when they're meeting in the hold. Pirates plunder lots of ships and don't forget their duty. They always call out thank you for all their stolen booty. Sharing is what pirates do when they find any treasure. To make sure shares are equal, their parrots help them measure. Pirates' parrots can't be stopped from parroting and squawking, but pirates never interrupt when another pirate's talking. Pirates like their privacy when doing something private, so they knock on doors and don't barge in on any other pirate. Pirates think you're weird if you washed your face or hair, but they always show respect and never point or stare. While pirates are in battle, to push ahead is fine, but when it's time to board the boat, pirates wait in line. When pirates dine at dinner, they're never, ever rude. Even scallywags keep mouths shut while they chew their food. When pirates feast on chowder, they try hard not to slurp, and they always say, "Excuse me," every time they burp. If a pirate bumps another, "I'm sorry," he will say, instead of "You're a scapullion, get thee from my way." Pirates love to duel with swordplay of all sorts, but at the end they say, "Good fight," because pirates are good sports. And here's a list of pirate manners. They say please, use your inside voice, say thank you, share, don't interrupt, knock before you enter, show respect, wait in line, eat with your mouth shut, say excuse me, say I'm sorry, and be a good sport. The end. So I bet you guys are all polite out there, aren't you? Okay, now we're going to sing. We're not going to sing if you're happy and you know it. We're going to sing if you're a pirate and you know it. Are you ready? If you're a pirate and you know it, swab the deck, swish, swish. If you're a pirate and you know it, swab the deck, swish, swish. If you're a pirate and you know it, then you'll hear the sea winds blowing. If you're a pirate and you know it, swab the deck, swish, swish. If you're a pirate and you know it, walk the plank, stomp, stomp. If you're a pirate and you know it, walk the plank, stomp, stomp. If you're a pirate and you know it, then you'll hear the sea winds blowing. If you're a pirate and you know it, walk the plank, stomp, stomp. If you're a pirate and you know it, look for treasure. If you're a pirate and you know it, look for treasure. If you're a pirate and you know it, then you'll hear the sea winds blowing. If you're a pirate and you know it, look for treasure. If you're a pirate and you know it, say ahoy! If you're a pirate and you know it, say ahoy! If you're a pirate and you know it, then you'll hear the sea winds blowing. If you're a pirate and you know it, say ahoy! You might want to throw in an ARRR every once in a while too. Pirates like to say that. Okay, now we're going to read Pirate Nell's Tale to Tell. It's written by Helen and Thomas Daugherty and written with the permission of Sourcebooks Jabberwocky. That's a mouthful. The day Nell joined the pirate crew was full of hope, a dream come true. For great adventures filled her head from every tale she'd ever read. Nell wondered what she ought to pack. Of course, her pirate's almanac. It taught her all she'd need to know, from how to steer to how to row, which way was east and which way was west. But Captain Ganache was not impressed. No almanac, he curled his lip. No time for reading on this ship. The other pirates warmed to Nell. They loved the stories she would tell of buried chests and treasure maps, furious storms and thunderclaps, of daring rescues out at sea. But sadly, in reality, Nell's days were filled with boring chores like scrubbing pots and mopping floors, while Captain Ganache snapped with a sneer, "You've missed some bird poop over here." One night Nell found it hard to sleep. She gazed into the ocean deep, then closed her eyes and made a wish, and once she saw a school of fish, all dancing, leaping, filled with light, guiding something through the night. Nell gasped. "Is that for me?" she cried. Oh, you guys see the bottle in the water? A bottle with a map inside? An island shaped like this, but where? A secret treasure buried there. Adventure lay ahead, it seemed, and through the starry night, Nell dreamed. Oh, there's her treasure map. Going to find a treasure. But when she woke at break of day, Nell's dreams were cruelly snatched away. Her map was gone, and in its place, she saw the captain's puzzled face. "What's this?" he ordered with a frown. "I think," said Nell, "it's upside down." "Don't tell me how to read a map, you good-for-nothing whippersnap. There's treasure here, that's plain to see, and don't forget, it's all for me." They sailed due east, the sky was red. Nell warned there might be storms ahead, but Captain Ganache's greedy eyes were firmly focused on the prize. The clouds drew dark, the waves rose high. A sheet of lightning hit the sky. Oh no. Then Captain Nash, who clutched the map, was startled by a thunderclap. He lost his balance, slipped and fell, head first into the stormy swell. Nell grabbed a float, then with a splash, she dived in after Captain Nash. The waves were wild, the current strong. Nell knew she didn't have that long. With luck, she'd studied what to do in Saving Lives, page 42. No sooner had she hauled him out, Nell heard the other pirates shout, "Oh no!" The ship was heading towards a line of rocks like jagged swords. Oh no! Nell seized the wheel and deftly steered, and all the other pirates cheered. She led them safely through the storm. The sea grew calm, the air grew warm. The treasure map was barely dry when something caught Nell's eye. some craggy cliffs, a sandy shore, the island they'd been looking for. With map in hand, Nell led the way to where the buried treasure lay. The pirates dug beneath the ground, not one, but 20 chests what they found. What treasure lay inside unclaimed? Well, bless my bootstraps, Nell exclaimed. The crew exchanged bewildered look. So, where's the treasure? These are books. Nell told them what she'd known for ages. There's treasure right here in these pages. These books are like a magic key to other worlds beyond the sea. They'll whiz you off to places new. They'll make you gasp and giggle too. They'll teach you things you never knew. She's right, you know, the captain said. Without Nell's book, we might be dead. I'll teach you all to read, said Nell. Then you can read these books as well. And being Nell, she kept her word. She's even opened, so I've heard, a library floating on the sea that lends out books to all for free. And Captain Nash, he's changed his ways. For now he likes to spend his days devouring stories back to back and studying Nell's almanac. So see, even pirates find books and treasures in books. Okay, I really like that story. Okay, now we're going to kind of sing a song and do a flannel board. So we're going to do the pirate song to This Old Man. So we have, this old pirate has a hat with a skull and crossbones, sat with an ARRR and an A, matey. This old pirate sailed the sea. This old pirate had a patch. Yeah, let's put it on this side. Sailed the sea without a scratch with an ARRR and an A, matey. This old pirate sailed the sea. This old pirate has a hook. Uses it to hold a book with an ARRR and an A, matey. This old pirate sailed the sea. This old pirate has a map, keeps it handy on his lap with an ARRR and an A, matey. This old pirate sailed the sea. This old pirate has a bird, doesn't know a single word with an ARRR and an A, matey. This old pirate sailed the sea. This old pirate has a ship, travels the world in a single trip with an ARRR and an A, matey. This old pirate sailed the sea. This old pirate has a treasure more than anyone can measure with an ARRR and an A, matey. This old pirate sailed the sea. Okay, that was really fun. You guys should practice that one at home. Okay, now our last book that we're going to read is called Pirates Love Underpants. It's written by Claire Friedman and illustrated by Ben Court and read with the permission of Aladdin. Aladdin Books, not Aladdin the Genie. These pirates so love underpants. They're on a special quest to find the fabled pants of gold for the captain's treasure chest. Anchors away, the captain cries. Hoist up, Black Bloomer's sail. Unfurl the secret treasure map. Pants pirates never fail. Black Bloomer bobs upon the waves. The captain shouts, hooray! Sharks in fancy underpants. We found Big Knickers Bay. You guys ever seen sharks wearing underpants? The pirates grab their shiny swords and row their boats to shore. Yikes me hearties, what is this? Someone's been here before. Oh no. The footprints lead through shifting dunes across the Three Pants Ridge. Snap, snap, snarl the hungry crocs beneath the long John Bridge. The pirates wade through gurgling swamps, through caves as black as night. They trek through prickly undergrowth, then gulp. Oh, what a sight. Oh, what do you think it's going to be? We're here too late, the pirates gasp. Another pirate's crew. They found the golden underpants. What are we going to do? Oh, there's the golden underpants treasure. The captain has a cunning plan. It's clever, it's fantastic. Grab your fancy underpants and cut through the elastic. As the rival pirates sleep, they snip round on tiptoe. But help! The captain's parrot squawks and wakes them up. Oh no! Grab those pants, the captain roars. They're after us. Oh, ARRR! But with their pants around their feet, they don't get very far. Yo ho ho ho, the pirates dance. Fine treasure fills our hold. But what's the booty we love best? The glittering pants of gold. So, when you put your pants on, check the elastic is in place, or like those silly pirates found, you'll have a bright red face. The end. I hope you guys liked that one. I thought that one was really cute. Okay, now what we're gonna get for a craft this week is you're gonna get a pirate scene. And I made this one all myself. You can do anything you want because you're going to get a packet like this. And you'll get a blank piece of paper. And then a bunch of stickers. And you can make your own scene. You got a treasure and an X to mark the spot. You guys can do whatever you want. It'll be super fun. Okay. Now let's sing our closing song. We're going to sing The More We Get Together. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Come back next week and join Miss Chris for story time. Bye-bye.